Chef Pee Pee, what are you doing?
Come on, stupid tomato.
Chef Pee Pee!
Oh, hello. I'm trying to make some tomato juice.
Oh, well, what happened to Grandma's cake? It's all messed up.
Yeah.
Oh, that was your grandma's cake.
Yeah, you told me not to touch it.
I did?
Yeah.
Oh, I was making cheesecake. You see?
Oh.
Oh, I get it, because there's cheese in it.
Yeah, that's how you make cheesecake. Duh.
Oh. Well, anyway, me and Cody really want some snacks.
What's a snack?
Yeah, we want some Fruit Loops.
Yeah.
Fruit Loops? I can make Fruit Loops. That should be easy.
Okay, Cody, let's go wait in the living room and get some Fruit Loops.
Yeah, I get Fruit Loops. Fruit Loops. Yeah, it's my favorite cereal. There we go. We gotta open. Oh man! No, not too much. Oh, hide it. Oh, okay, I think that's enough. Voila, Junior!
Yeah, Chef Pee Pee?
Here's the cereal. Voila.
You made a huge mess, Chef Pee Pee.
It's not that bad. I can clean it up.
Oh, okay, well, you might have to remake Grandma's cake because you just put a bowl in it.
Oh man, I forgot about that. I can do that though. It's easy.
All right, Cody, let's get some Fruit Loops.
You forgot the milk.
Well, you didn't need it.
Okay, gotta make a cake. All right, what do I make a cake with first? I gotta get the flour. Duh. All right. Okay, how do I open this? All right, come on, flour. Yeah. I think this is enough. All right, now I need some eggs. Okay, chirp. Come on, eggs, chirp. Oh man, I dropped it on your ground. Oh, it's still the good ones though. All right, chirp. Yay! Oh, I can't believe all they could do is give me a Band-Aid. Are you serious? Hopefully Poo Poo got the cupcakes out the oven. No. Wait, you're the one that did this. You destroyed this whole kitchen. Why did you do this, Boo Boo?
Are you ready to die, Woody? No. I'm just a cowbug. Don't do this. This is the worst day ever.
No, God.
No.
No, God, please, no.
Crying like stupid home friend in Civic right now. They're too late. You're never nothing left no can do. You're not the bang. Oh no. Goodbye, scum!